can also generate triggered snapshots. For this purpose, we start with the standard layout. First, we have to adjust the measurement area 1. Then we are scaling the temperature range. We open Configuration, go to the Alarm tab, where we can set up the desired alarm threshold for Area 1 and activate the alarm. Then we have to go to Alarm Configuration, where we enable snapshots on alarm. In the tab Triggered Recordings Snapshots, you can define the path on your computer where the files should be saved and the number of snapshots for the history view. We open the Snapshot History window and arrange our layout by changing the location of this view or closing not needed windows. Our test shows that it works. In the history view, we can see the last 7 snapshots. The disadvantage of this layout is that a hot object which is moving inside the field of view can trigger several undesired snapshots.